Hi, I'm Paige, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to sew a Hong Kong seam finish. So first I'm going to show you how to do it, and then after that little mini tutorial I'm going to show you a practical application. Let's get right into the tutorial. First you'll take your two pieces of fabric and put them right sides together and stitch your seam allowance. Then press open your seam and take bias strips. And you want to make sure that these are bias strips so that they have a little bit of give to them. So you're going to align the raw edges and move the main fabric out of the way and stitch them together. Here I'm just cutting off the excess. And then you'll open that outward and press and fold it around the back. Now you're not going to fold it again on the back side. You're just going to stitch straight down, leaving that raw edge, and then cut the excess away. This reduces bulk instead of doing another fold on the other side. You can do the same technique, but instead of stitching on top of the bias, you stitch in the ditch, which is right next to it. And I think that makes for a little bit of a softer finish. Alright, that's how you sew a Hong Kong seam finish. Here's two examples of where I use that. First, on the facing of this dress at the neckline and the button band, this is a loose facing, so it's not going to be visible from the outside with being stitched down. And I wanted to finish this nicely to where it feels nice and it looks nice from the inside as well. And so I put a piece of bias binding on here for a Hong Kong finish. And then on the facing of these pants, both around the back and on the front, you can see that I've treated all of these edges with a Hong Kong seam finish. And it just feels nice and looks nice from the inside. So those are the two examples of a Hong Kong seam finish. It looks really nice, it feels really nice against the skin, and it protects the seam from unraveling over time. Now this technique does require extra time because you have to either buy or make the binding, and then you have to apply it, which means you're treating all of these edges multiple times, but the end result is definitely worth it, and I encourage you to try it, at least even with a swatch like this. It's a fun technique to learn about and experiment with. And if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Down below you can click subscribe and the bell alert next to it, and you'll be notified anytime that I post a video. Until next time, go get creative and make something that you love. Bye.